What's up YouTube? It's Shay. Welcome to or back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY lip scrub. Mine in particular is a strawberry pomegranate lemonade flavor. So I have all my ingredients. You basically need some brown sugar or white sugar, that's fine. Doesn't matter what kind. You could literally use anything. I mean, at this point you could use sand, but I wouldn't because you're putting it on your lips, and if it gets in your mouth, that's pretty gross. I have this little container that I made out of a water bottle. Oh, is it too bright? So you need brown sugar, either olive oil or vegetable oil, but basically any oil that is edible, like coconut oil or something. If you have really crusty lips and you constantly hydrate yourself and you're constantly drinking water and wearing chapstick and doing this and that and it doesn't do anything, I got you covered. Just use this. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we have our bowl here. The first thing that you're going to do is get your brown sugar or your sugar, whatever you're using for the texture of the scrub. You're going to take your sugar and you're going to put it into the bowl, and I'm starting off with very little because I don't need very much. I'm going to end up adding some more sugar into it, so I'm starting off with little because I'm going to be putting liquid, and if I put too much in the beginning, we're going to have a lot. I'm just taking what I'm going to be using for the flavor, lemonade stuff. I'm just mixing it together, and it's already too liquidy, which we don't want this consistency, so we're obviously going to need some more sugar. You're going to want it very grainy. You don't want it swimming in oils like this is right here, so this is going to need a lot more sugar. It looks pretty gross. Basically now what I'm going to be doing is adding the beneficial part to this, which is the oil, which will hydrate your lips. And I'm putting very little because we seriously do not need a big amount of oil, and it's already watery, so, oh, I shouldn't say watery, it's liquidy. This looks pretty gross, but it's gonna taste pretty well because it's like literally looks brown and gross. But you want it to be very grainy. I'm just crunching all of these little hard pieces in here. Okay, so this is the consistency that you want. It's kind of really grainy. This is almost too oily, but it'll work for what we're trying to do. So I'm just gonna put it in here. So I'm just using like the end of this to push it down in there so we can make more room. And then basically I'm just gonna, what I'm doing is I'm just scraping off the excess, whatever, sugar. And then I'm just gonna put it on, and here's your little lip scrub container. I'm telling you, this will work. It's not the cutest looking, but it will help. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be doing giveaways this summer, most likely. I'm like 99% sure I'm going to be doing a giveaway or multiple this summer, so that's a reason you should probably like this video, subscribe, share, comment, do all of those things. Post notifications. It'll help you just get a better entry. So this is what the final product looks like. This will really help you. It's not the prettiest, but you just rub it on kind of vigorously, but not too rough. Like after you do that, your lips will be softer. It stimulates your blood cells or something and makes your lips look bigger, and that's always nice. If you do makeup, it'll help that because it'll make it easier to apply. It just makes your lips look soft in general. They feel really soft after, like it feels really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. On to the bloopers. Bye! Love you guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. I never look okay in these videos. But after you do that, oh sorry.